Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Passed through southern Colorado, I saw this really neat old steamroller in the most literal sense. Got boilers and everything. Back before they were gas or diesel powered. Thought I'd stop and do a quick video. Looks like they've been using some old cutting edges for scrapers. All riveted together, so this is probably 19s or 20s, very old. So you got the big boiler up here, and down here you got, it's like two pistons driving a crankshaft. And I don't see any flyweights for a governor. Probably somebody stole it by now. Got a seat up top there. I always thought these were interesting on boilers, how it the plate's drawn in from the outside to seal it. The old drive gear. Assuming that's probably filled with water for ballast. Or actually it's probably the water tank for the steam chamber. Pretty neat old machine. Thought I'd share it with y'all. Down here in Trinidad, Colorado. Oh, we can look inside the boiler here. Can't see a whole lot, but you can see the tubes up there at the top that held the water. Pretty cool machine. Thanks for watching.